Hello everyone, welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today we are going to see about a interesting remedy which is Allium cepa. Common name of Allium cepa is red onion. It is from Liliaceae family. The ailments from is exposure to damp north western cold wind, bad effect from getting wet, and also eating salad and cucumber. What are the general modalities of Allium cepa? First, aggravation. A Allium cepa person's symptoms get aggravated in the evening and also in the warm room. The symptom gets better or ameliorated in open air and also in cold room. Now, let's see what's the sphere of action of Allium cepa. First, in conjunctiva and mucous membrane of the nose, respiratory tract, intestine, and also in nerve and vein. The guiding symptom of Allium cepa are such as: first, profuse watery acrid and acrid nasal discharge with profuse bland lacrimation. Remember, in Allium cepa there will be bland lacrimation. Allium cepa is a left-sided remedy. There will be violent laryngitis and also cough, which will be seem to tear and split the trachea. Thread-like pain in various parts and also nerve injuries. Common cold or cough or headache which gets worse in warm room and better in the open air. Let's see what are the particular symptoms of Allium cepa. The person experiences headache, which is a catarrhal dull headache with coryza, which gets worse in warm room and better in open air. For the eyes, Allium cepa person's eye will be burning and there will be smarting lacrimation. Eyes will be suffuse and watery, profuse bland lacrimation, and these symptoms get better in open air. The person's nose will be copious, watery and extremely acrid discharge can be seen. And there will be also feeling of a lump at the root of the nose. For children, there will be colic pain which is caused by cold and also when they are getting wet in the rain. The person also experiences coryza where the discharge will be burning and it will be able to corrode the nose and also the upper lip. Severe cough compels patient to grasp larynx. In terms of injury, there will be neuralgic pain like a long thread on face, hand and leg. These are the main symptoms of Allium cepa remedy. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe to Homeopathy TSKM channel. See you all on the next video. Thank you.